Wait, don't skip this. Eyes. There's a reason fish keep hitting your lure without getting hooked, and almost nobody talks about it. This setup looks wrong at first, like something that shouldn't even work. But underwater, it changes the way the hook moves completely. I made this setup at home using simple parts, and somehow it started turning missed bites into solid hookups. The strange part? It's such a tiny change, but the difference feels huge. Most anglers would never even try something like this. And honestly, neither would I, until it worked. So take a close look at this setup before you scroll away. Direct hit. And if this idea surprised you even a little bit, hit like thumbs up, share this with a friend fishing pole, and comment below. Would you actually fish with this? Eyes fire.